Only knowledge can eradicate lack of knowledge. Only jnana can eradicate ajnana. Like if there was darkness here in the night, nothing could eradicate the darkness but light. Yeah. You will say, I can bring in a torch or a flashlight, which is artificial light, and it can light up the room. That is correct. It can, but it is still fake light. Do you see this, what I'm saying? It is fake light, means what is natural light? This, the morning sunlight. This is natural light. Even if I close my doors and windows, it is still bright. There is no darkness. Darkness has been eradicated. So just like we have artificial light and sunlight, like that, knowledge or jnana has been given the pedestal of the sunlight. Yeah, so only jnana or knowledge can eradicate the darkness that comes out of lack of knowledge, ajnana. The last line he tells you, what is this artificial flashlight of yours or this artificial lamp of yours? What is that? Karma, action. Na karma tajam. Action which is born of ignorance, which is the progeny of ignorance. It cannot defy ignorance. Yeah? A child cannot beat the parent. Yeah? Like that only, the action cannot, which is born of ignorance, cannot defy, cannot challenge, cannot stand up to ignorance because it is born of it. For example, a little drop of water is born of the ocean. It cannot stand up to it. It cannot resist it. It will dissolve into it. You see what he means here? Yeah. A little spark of fire cannot stand up to the humongous fire. It will dissolve into it. Like that only, that which is born of ignorance cannot stand up to ignorance. So if you say, oh, I will do mantras, mantra is also an action. Yeah. Oh, I will do japa, I will do yoga asanas, I will do pranayama. All this will take away the lack of knowledge. No, it cannot. It cannot. Only knowledge can eradicate lack of knowledge.